Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video tutorial, I talked about how to log formulas in Excel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide formulas when the cells are locked with step-by-step guide. Okay, when you log formulas in Excel, the user can make any changes to the cells with formulas. Okay, however, if that cell is selected right here, just where I selected it, the formula in the cell will be visible in the formula bar right up here. You can see the formula in the formula for this particular cell is showing up right up here on the formula bar. Okay, this is not an issue in most cases, but if you don't want the formulas to be visible, just like the way I'm seeing it right here in the formula bar, okay, you need to hide it. Okay, here are the steps to hide formulas in a locked cell. Okay, all right, the first step is that you select all the cells in the worksheet by holding on your Ctrl A button. Okay, good. Then the next one is that you go to your home tab right up here, and within the editing group at my far right here, you can see the group of options here, and within the editing group there is a section here, we call it find and select. Click on it. So good. And from the drop down list, select go to special. Okay, select go to special, and in the go to special dialog box, select formulas. Okay, and click on what? OK button. Good. Now this will select all the cells that have formulas in it. You can see them, all the cells here have been highlighted, they have formulas embedded in them. You can see them. So now after doing that, then you click on what? Ctrl plus from your keyboard. Okay, you can also follow the method I used in my last video by using click on this arrow on the alignment box, but you can use Ctrl plus for easy method. Okay, now in the you see, open up the format dialog box, and in the format dialog box, go to protection tab. You can see protection tab right up here, and check this option here, hiding. Okay, and click on what? OK. Good. Note, as I mentioned earlier, a cells that has not been locked cannot be protected. Okay, the same applies when you hide formulas in Excel unless the cells is locked. Only checking the hiding checkbox wouldn't do anything. To truly hide formulas in Excel, the cells should have the lock and hiding box checked or selected, and it should be protected. Note, it should be protected before the formulas in the cell can be what? Hiding. Basically, we have to lock and hide the cells from the above step. Now let's protect the entire worksheet so that those formulas can be locked and hiding. Here are the steps. Okay, good. Click on the review tab right at the top right here. Okay, good. In the changes group right here, click on what? Protect worksheet. Okay, good. Then in the protect worksheet dialog box, make sure that you have checked protect worksheet and content of locked cell. Okay, though it is checked by default. Okay, now you can enter your password if you this is optional, except you want to password a protected sheet. Okay, now specify what the user is allowed to do, and by default the first two options here are checked that allow a user to select, lock and unlock cell. You can allow further options as well, such as format cell, format columns, format rows, insert column, insert rows, insert upper leg, and so on and so forth. Okay, and click on what? Okay, good. If you have used a password, it will ask you to reconfirm the password. Since I did not use a password, it will definitely not ask me to enter the password again. Once logged, you will notice that most of the options in the ribbon are unavailable. Right here, you can see them. You can see them, so they are not available because the cell is being protected. Okay, and if someone tries to change anything in the worksheet, it will show a prompt as what. You can see it will show a prompt as well. The cell or chart you are trying to change is unprotected sheet, and to make a change on protected sheet, you might be requested to enter a password, but I did not use a password. Okay, again now, and again to unlock it, you can just click on what? Unprotect worksheet right here. Okay, good. Now when users select a cell that has formulas and is locked, he or she will not be able to see the formulas in the bar. So if you notice that if I click on those cells, you can see that the formulas are now being hidden. No one will be able to see the formulas embedded in this cell. You can see them. So as I'm clicking on those cells, those formulas are being hidden. No one can be able to see the formulas in there. These are some of the ways you can lock cells, hide cells, lock some specific cells, and hide formulas in Excel. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'll keep giving you more of the Excel function. Bye.